Welcome to Real Cash. So today in this video we are going to explore how your everyday talents like photography, cooking, art or even gardening can help you earn real money online. So you don't need a big investment or a fancy setup. Just a skill, consistency and a smartphone, and that's it. From selling your photos to offering online fitness classes, I will show you 5 practical ways to turn your passion into income using beginner friendly platforms. So, these methods are perfect for students, homemakers, artists, or anyone looking for an extra income stream from home. So, stick around till the end for a bonus tip that can double your result. And without any further delay, let's get dive in and monetize your skill. So, first is photography. If you enjoy photography, your pictures can earn you money repeatedly. Start by uploading your best shots to stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pexels. These platforms pay you whenever someone downloads your photo. Focus on popular themes like food, people, nature, or technology. Add clear titles and keywords to increase your visibility. You can also sell your pictures as digital wall art on Etsy or turn them into printable posters using Canva and then sell them through Gumroad. Want to go further? Upload your prints to Redbubble or Society6 where buyers can order them as canvas prints, phone cases or t-shirts. One good image can bring you money for years if listed properly. Second is painting and art. So if you are looking into painting or sketching, turn your artwork into cash. Start by showcasing your work on platforms like Instagram, Behance, or Pinterest. And then sell your original art or prints through Etsy or Statachi Art. You can also digitize your artwork with Canva or Procreate and sell files as downloadable posters, clip arts, or templates. Want passive income? Use Printful or Society6 to print your designs on themes or items like mugs, t-shirt, or phone cases. They handle everything while you earn per sale. Offer commissions for custom work and promote through Instagram stories. And bonus idea is record your painting process and upload it to YouTube, Shorts, or TikTok to grow an audience and gain even more income. Third is cooking. Cooking at home, you can turn your recipe into real revenue. Just start by recording short recipes videos for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels and use trending sounds and simple edits. Share easy, local, or family recipes people search for. And then create a digital recipe book using Canva and sell it on Gumroad or Payhip. If you love teaching, offer live cooking classes via Zoom and take payments through Instamojo or Google Forms. If you want to sell your actual food, then you can start a small food brand by promoting items like pickles, snacks, cakes on WhatsApp Business or Instagram Shop. Add reviews, photos, and price lists to attract more customers. One kitchen, smartphone, and consistency. Your very own food-based income stream. Fourth is dance, yoga, or fitness. If you love dancing, fitness, or yoga, you can turn that energy into income. First, begin by uploading simple tutorial videos or demo routines on YouTube and Instagram Reels. Offer free sessions first to build trust and then launch paid live Zoom classes or recorded videos bundles. Platforms like Graphy, Teachable, or Udemy allow you to upload your own fitness courses and earn every time someone joins. You can even sell customized workout or diet plans through WhatsApp or email. Collect payment using UPI, Razorpay, or Google Pay. And then promote using Canva made posters in Facebook or Instagram groups. Your movement has value. Monetize it by sharing with people who want to learn from home. Your energy can literally pay your bills. Fifth is gardening or home decor. So, are you great at are you great at decorating your home or growing plants? People are searching for tips daily. So you can start a YouTube channel or Instagram page to share home decor tips, plant care guides, or balcony transformations. Just film short videos using your phone and edit it in CapCut or InShot. Want to earn more? Then you can create PDF guides like top 10 indoor plants for beginners or budget decor tips. Sell them via Gumroad. You can also use Amazon affiliate links to recommend planters, lighting, or gardening tools and earn on each sale. So, if you are confident, offer consultation calls or video walkthroughs for room setups. From soil to cushions, your creativity can turn into a business. So, just start by sharing what you love and income will flow. So, thanks for watching. Turn your passion into profit today. Do like, share, and subscribe to Real Cash for more real ways to earn money online. See you next time. Thank you.